Hi, I'm Chef Dan, and today we're making Almond Biscotti, the perfect cozy treat for those winter nights, whether you're enjoying it with a nice cup of coffee or packing it for loved ones for cookie gifts. Follow along, it's going to be fun. Alright, so in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to beat the butter, sugar, salt, vanilla, almond extract, and baking powder until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Now we're going to beat in the eggs, and we're going to add the flour and almonds and mix it till it's combined. Now we shape the dough into logs and pop them in our French door convection oven from Bluestar. The convection setting circulates evenly, so every biscotti comes out perfectly crispy and golden, ready for the second bake. So now after the first bake, we're going to slice the logs and return them to the oven for the second bake. This ensures that they're perfectly crisp and ready to enjoy. Look at these beauties, crunchy, flavorful, and festive. They pair wonderfully with coffee and they make an amazing addition to holiday gift baskets. Thanks to the Bluestar convection oven, they baked evenly and perfectly every time. No guesswork, just perfect results. Happy baking, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our video with our biscotti. Get a nice warm cup of coffee, find a loved one, and enjoy it for your holiday season. Thanks so much and have a good day.